back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to upload YouTube shorts from your PC. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to upload your YouTube shorts from your PC, all you gotta do is simply go to YouTube Studio. So once you're in your YouTube Studio, you need to get logged in into your account, and once you have logged in into your account, all you gotta do is simply tap on the create button. Once you tap on the create button, you can simply go to upload videos and simply tap on it, and now you need to select your files. After you have selected your file, you need to check for your video specs. So after you have done this, you can simply tap on any of the videos that you have chosen and tap on it. After you're ensuring that your video is vertical and is under 3 minutes, the video will automatically detect it as a short if it meets these requirements. Now you need to add title, thumbnail, and audience and playlist, and configure your privacy settings. After you have done this, you can hit on the publish button and you are all set. So if you're going to do this, you will be able to upload YouTube shorts from PC. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.